Hey guys, I wanted to tell you how I started sharpening my knives recently. My first video I talked about using balsa wood as a strop, and I'll explain what process I do to get my knives actually pretty sharp now. I used to be a horrible knife sharpener. I take a somewhat sharp knife, try to sharpen it a little bit more, and actually make it duller. Horrible at knife sharpening. I'm starting to kind of get how to do it, get the hang of it. Watching one of Gavco's videos, he talked about using sandpaper as basically as a stone or for sharpening. He didn't really use too many stones, so I decided to give it a shot and just tape some fine grit paper to a piece of wood. This is 1000 grit and this is 2000 grit, and basically you just work it like a stone, you know, back and forth however you want, forward or backwards, whatever style you like, and flip it over. There's your finer stone. Then I take it to my balsa wood strop. And my dad stopped by tonight and dropped off these really fine honing powders. This one's 0.3 microns, this one's 0.1. This one is uber fine. I haven't tried it yet. I don't know if I want to get quite that crazy, but we'll see. Got a lot of other stuff I'm working on right now. But powder, let's see if I can get this open. This thing was ridiculously hard to open. It's just this really super fine powder. Kind of looks like a green flower, and I basically used it in place of that green compound you would normally put on strops, and wetted it down with a little WD-40 to give it kind of a, to turn it into basically a paste so I could spread it around, and it worked out really well actually. I was really surprised how well it worked out. I actually made a knife sharper than it was before. It was amazing. I actually didn't screw up sharpening. So I'm going to do my first cut test on camera with phone book paper. Gavco used a lot of phone book paper. Figure that's a good guideline because it's a lot thinner than printer paper, so it's a little harder to cut, a little more proof that your knife is sharp. So I'll start with my Manix 2 here, and let's see how this goes. Let's see if I screw this up. Oh, nice. There we go. Look at that. Shaves paper. Just moves right through. Let's see if it'll do it on this rough side of the paper. Boy, that phone book paper is... There we go. Look at that. Let's try my Endura. Man, I put a ton of work into this Endura. Polishing all the contact points. I don't know why I picked the Endura to mess with the most. I guess it had the most to work with, so polishing it, sharpening it, messing with the edge, done a ton of stuff to it. It is so smooth. Who needs an assist when you have a knife this smooth? Love this Endura. Let's see how sharp he is. Oh yeah. Woo. I think that's pretty sharp when you can just basically, oh, that was a tear. You can basically just swipe the phone book paper and cut it. Let's try another piece here. Pretty proud of this, considering how horribly I've sharpened in the past. Ooh. Don't screw it up. Look at me, I'm already screwing it up. Making a sharp knife look dull. Whoa, calm down, light. Sorry, this is fun. Woo! Nice. Let's go back to the Mannix. Oh, you didn't. Come on. I think the Endura is a little sharper than the Mannix, maybe. The Endura has kind of a convex edge on it. I took the shoulders off of the V-edge, and hoping it would prove its performance in cutting, and it seems like it really has. Oh, that's cutting pretty good. Like a ninja. Let's try this again. Yeah. That's sharp. Oh, that makes me happy. Oh, anybody can do that part. So, I thought I'd show that to you guys. Finally, got a knife sharper than it was. Horrible sharpening in the past, but any questions or comments, let me know. Any questions about this powder, I'll have to ask my dad where he ordered it, but it seems like it works better than some of those honing compounds. At least it works better for me. Give me a thumbs up if it's worth a thumbs up. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks guys, have a good one.